Thickies, welcome back to Thick Girls Guide, your official guide for all things fashion, trends, style, lifestyle, and traveling. And in today's video, we are doing a travel stuff, I guess. I don't know if I would say gadgets, but travel supplies maybe, haul from the Dollar Tree. You know, so travel doesn't always have to be expensive, and getting all of the items to travel also doesn't have to be super expensive. And so I just went to the Dollar Tree recently. So pretty much all of these items, if you go there, you know, in the next few weeks, you should be able to also see those. This is the perfect time of year to kind of start seeing all that travel kind of stuff come in. And overall, I found some really cool things. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Thick Girl gang, and give this video a thumbs up. And let's get into it. Right, so I found some super cool things at the Dollar Tree, and the closer we get to the summer season, they are a seasonal store, so you will actually start seeing more kind of travel friendly things in the Dollar Tree the closer we get to it. But I found a good assortment of stuff here, and of course the Dollar Tree it's $1.25 per item. And they do have some stuff that is a little more expensive now. Like they have like a $3 section and a $5 section, but most of the store is $1.25 per item. So let's start with kind of like the toiletry type things. I found these cute little like 2-pack of these reusable bottles here. And these are 3 ounces each, so they do pass under the TSA liquids rule. Now you do get one spray bottle and you get one like squeezy bottle. They come in blue, and then I also got the pink set as well. So super cute little travel containers here. And you could put stuff in there like shower gel, lotion, and the spray bottle. Trying to think, you could probably put, like, if you have some body sprays that you can just kind of dump into this and then it sprays, or if you have like you know, a full-size like setting spray for your makeup, you could put it in there so you're not having to take the larger one. The spray bottles I think are a little bit more, they're not used as much. I wish it had maybe a 3-pack, then it has one more of these squeezy tubes, because I think those are more realistic. But I love the little pattern. I love the cute little polka dots and the fun colors. The next thing that I picked up is this set of, this has just like the screw top here. And let me take these out of the package. I can just show you one. So these you can use for a ton of different things. So you can put like your like pills in there. Like what I will do is I use these kind of little containers for like ibuprofen when I travel, or I don't know, you can do like aspirin or Tylenol or whatever, allergy medicine, stuff like that. I love that it does have 3 different color lids. So it comes with a blue, a pink, and a purple. And so you can, you know, color code them if you want to. You can then label them. Just super cute little containers. You could also put like your face lotion in here, or a body butter or something like that that you would then, you know, scoop out with your finger or whatnot. It didn't come with a little spatula or anything like that, so you would be using your finger for that, unless you already have a little spatula. And then just for an alternative, if you don't want one quite that big, this was in the craft section. So these are smaller containers. but I just wanted to show like some options here. So these are smaller. Now these I don't think are like sealed. So like to me, I would use like pills in this, and then maybe like if it's more of a runnier liquid, maybe in one of these that is sealed a little bit better. Or you can just put some plastic wrap under there and then pop the top on, and that seals it. So it can be done. I'm just saying this is not really sealed very well for liquids. The next thing that I picked up is this 7-day pill container. Especially if you're someone who does have certain days you have to take certain medications, this is great for that. So that's pretty like large compartments here. And again, only for $1. So what are you losing? Nothing. So I thought that was nifty to pick up. The next thing I snagged is I don't wash my hair every day. So I picked up, they had a 2-pack, and I think they actually had a 3-pack of different color shower caps. I just prefer the patterns of these. Some hotels give you like the little shower cap and some don't. So I take my own just in case, because not every day do I want to get my hair wet. This one, you're not going to be mad if you accidentally leave it or if it gets damaged or something like that, because it was only $1.25 for 2 of them. So yeah, overall, pretty good deal. The next thing that I found was a soap container. So you just put your bar soap in there. They also have a ton of bar soap. I am not partial to bar soap personally, but if you are traveling carry-on only, you may want to consider it, because since it's a solid bar soap, it won't count as part of your liquids. So that is a way to kind of get around it. Also, there is shampoo bars and conditioner bars. So if you are frequently doing carry-on, it may be something that you want to invest in. But either way, this case works perfect for that and keeps it contained, so you don't have to throw it in like a little plastic bag or anything. And I think they had a couple other colors in this. I just liked the blue particularly. And then also Honey Boo Boo loves his bar soap, so this is perfect for him. The next thing, speaking of Honey Boo Boo, is I found this super cute little toiletry bag for men, or if you're a woman who likes camo, go ahead. But it actually gets pretty big, so you could probably fit. So yeah, you could fit actually a bunch of stuff in there. So I tossed like the toiletry bottles, this thing in here, the bar soap thing, and a couple of those. So this thing actually gets pretty big, but really good for some men folk in your life. And then also has a little handle here. So not bad for $1.25. And then it does collapse down really, really small as well. So loving that. So picked that up for Honey Boo Boo, but thought that was definitely a win. The next thing I found was actually in the school supply section, but I saw these and these were just adorable, and I thought to myself, what a perfect makeup brush holder. So it does fit standard makeup brushes, as it's a pencil case, and you could actually probably throw some makeup in there as well. But thought that was a super cute way to keep all your brushes organized and not having to worry about them getting smashed or messed up or anything like that. So at the Dollar Tree, super cute little pencil case, and that would be in obviously the school section. They had a bunch of different prints as well, but I like this kind of little lavender polka dotty one. Next up, this is, I wouldn't say this is for all travel, but specifically on a cruise ship. It is an earplug, or 4 pairs of earplugs, and it comes with the little case here as well. On a cruise ship, you've got parties going on all night. You've got drunk people stumbling down the hallway sometimes. Some people are just really loud, and if you're a sensitive sleeper, you may need these. So you can definitely get them at the dollar store and save yourself some money. I'm not sure how much they would be elsewhere. Probably on Amazon they would be a pretty good deal, but I don't know if it would actually beat $1.25 for these. The next thing that I found at the dollar store is this sticky roller, and it is a 2-pack. Now, I needed actually a sticky roller for myself, so I keep the big one, but the small one is perfect for travel, especially if you have pets. Even when you're packing, you probably are gonna have some pet hair on you, or there's like those particular fabrics that just like cling to any kind of like fuzz or dust or whatever, and these are excellent for getting that off of your like pants or top or whatever, especially if you have pets, or if you just have like really thick hair and you shed like a cat. Perfect, you know. So the little one I would definitely take for travel, but 2 of them for only $1.25, so that's a steal. The next thing that I picked up is the travel deodorant. So this is actually, I would say, I think the travel ones are actually like about, like they're that big, like they're smaller than this. So you are actually getting a little bit more for only $1.25. And I believe like this is, I mean, this is pretty close to a full size. I think the full size one goes up to maybe there. And I think those are like $4 or so. So I thought this was a pretty good deal. Just gonna toss it in my travel junk drawer, and then I just dig through that when I'm gonna travel and find all the stuff that I need. So thought that was a great deal. They also had, I think they had Dove and a few other brands of deodorant as well. And then of course they have men's deodorant also. They have a whole travel toiletry section actually, but not everything is a good deal. So you kind of have to know in like the travel section of like Walmart or Target how much those normally are, and if the $1.25 is actually a better deal or not. For the deodorant, I knew that it was. The other thing that they have is pain medication. So the dollar store has like a whole like first aid section with a bunch of pain medication and like allergy medicine, stuff like that. But they do have, as you can see, name brands. So I picked up the Tylenol, and this comes with 3 portable pouches that was like a tongue twister. 3 portable pouches that have 2 tablets in it each. So 6 total in this little box. And then the expiration date, just in case you're wondering, is not till 2025. So they are not expired at all. The next thing that I picked up were these Pond's makeup removing facial wipes. They had a ton of these, but I liked that this is like a small little pouch. This has 10 wipes in it, so you'll be pretty good for most vacations. It's not going to take up a ton of room. Also resealable, so it's not going to dry out. They had some other like body wipes, stuff like that. They had like a whole section with just like little wipes, but I thought this one was just the perfect size. Next up is there was like this cute little manicure set. So it comes with like a little nail file in there, a little pair of scissors, a nail clipper, and then kind of like the cuticle pusher thing, all in this little set. Obviously you could not take this if you're carry-on. They think you're going to take over the plane with a nail clipper. I thought this was still a good deal though for $1.25, and this is something I would definitely throw in my checked bag. I always take nail clippers and nail file with me, because you never know when you're gonna like split a fingernail. It happens every single time. Or I'll stub my toe after a fresh pedicure on vacation. That's happened too, and it like chunked a nail off, and then I had this jagged nail that I had to like clip down. So I have used these so many times. So I love the little kit for only $1.25. I also found this little just plug-in night light at the dollar store, and it just has like a clear acrylic thing here, but it has like a little light in here that lights up this whole square. And it lights up blue, but it would be great for like a little night light, or if you're on a cruise ship, it gets really dark in there. So to try and get up in the middle of the night, stumble around and find the bathroom, and maybe trip over some shoes, this could help you out and give you just a little bit of light to see where you're going. Or if your kids are scared of the dark or whatnot, you know, to plug in maybe in a little hotel light or something like that. it's not too bad for the price. And the last thing that I found, it is an inflatable neck pillow. So I love that it is super compact because it's not inflated, and then when you need it, you just blow it up and you've got yourself a little neck pillow. So thought that was super cool, especially for the price. And I definitely don't want to walk through the airport with one of those neck pillows that are, to me, it's just a pain in the butt. So yeah, this is like a full-size one here. Okay, yep, there it is. So that is the neck pillow. Let me blow it up really quick. Okay, so here it is blown up, and I mean, it's sliding because of my hair. Can't sleep on planes or in cars, anything like that. So I probably wouldn't use this, but maybe Honey Boo Boo would, or if you are one who sleeps on planes and whatnot, then this could be a good item for you. So overall, I was pretty impressed with what I found at the Dollar Tree for traveling. They did not disappoint, and I think it is great. Like, while I already kind of have most of this stuff, I think it's great for people who are really on a budget. Like if you've got, you know, some kids and you can't afford to buy all of these little things when they're like, you know, $3-4 a piece multiplied by however many people are in your family. This is definitely a way to cut down those costs. And I will definitely use most of this stuff. Probably not the neck pillow. Honey Boo Boo will probably use that. But I found some really good stuff, I think. Ballin' on a budget is what I like to call it. So again, traveling does not have to be super, super expensive. There are ways to cut costs, starting with the Dollar Tree and getting all your travel essentials. At the end of this video, I will link my Amazon travel gadget guides. Most of that stuff is also pretty price effective as well, and not super expensive. There are some more expensive items in there than, of course, the Dollar Tree. It's still, I think it's pretty reasonable as well on Amazon for most of those items, and you are getting a little bit better quality for pretty much everything else. So I'll link that below. And if you like the video, definitely hit that like button and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Thick Girl gang. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.